Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video I'll be doing an unboxing. I bought this pair of shoes. It's casual shoes. Kasi mahilig na ako yun sa casual shoes, like although I'm a bit short, but you know, it's comfortable to wear flats. So I asked hubby to purchase these shoes. It's called Vizzano. So that's the name of the brand. So the shoe is made from Brazil, but they have stores here in Australia. So ito yung sa loob niya. So it's got like that, the cover, and so ito yung shoes. As you can see, it has a B and it has a leather V that stands for Vizzano. So that's their trademark. And this material is not in leather. And that's what it looks like. So it has this red color on the ankle part, on the back of your leg. And it has stripes, which is green, red, and green, and it has a gold material, gold what do you call that part? Their name on it, the brand. So that's what it looks like. And the name of the shoes, it's called Bumblebee Sneaker in White Napa. So this is retailed in $119.95 Australian dollar. So they have another color with this one that it doesn't come with a red color at the back of the shoe. So it's just all plain white with, of course, they have the stripings on the side, both sides, and it has the B on the side as well. So, and the other pair looks, so this shoes is very lightweight. It's very comfortable to wear. So I have already tried it, and the sole of the shoe, it's not slippery, so it's like rubbery. Yes, and it has that V on the sole of the shoe. Can you see it? So this one is in size 5 because my size is 5. And it says made in Brazil. So if you want to check it out, they have a website. It's called Charley Boutique, and they sell with sandals, wedges, or with heels or stilettos like that. So if you want to check it out. So ayan yung shoes na. So I'm gonna put a video or a photo on how does it look, it looks like on my feet. So I really like these shoes. Yeah, maganda siya. And it matches with, you know, like if you want to wear like jeans or skirts or shorts with it. So it will match whatever you want to wear as an outfit. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye for now.